Namaskar and welcome to Golden Eplets podcast 3 with Captain Nikita Tomar. Diving straight into it, Captain Nikita, we know that there are many challenges in a cockpit behind the closed doors.
All right, so to start from there, yes, I have encountered many people in my career, who would doubt my abilities, dismiss my abilities, humiliate me, and make me feel very insignificant by flaunting their knowledge. But the irony of the situation is these are the same people, who give my success as an example to inspire the others. So I don't know what exactly was there in my mind. It could be, the gender biasness or maybe the personal grudges or whatsoever. But I would thank them because, it was them who fueled my motivation. And I would say that work hard on yourself, believe in yourself, and let your achievements speak louder than their assumptions about you.
That's awesome. That's truly awesome. Yeah, I agree. And so you've started off in
Yeah.
the Indian carrier. That was your first job, first
Yes.
chance at flying. And you have flown for the Indian national carrier you were flying for about how many years?
Almost like 6 years.
6 years
Yeah.
before you transitioned to the UAE.
Yes.
Now, 320s or narrow bodies in India, two wide bodies in the UAE.
Yeah.
Do we sense some difference?
Yes, a lot in terms of that wide body flying gives you more work-life balance. Because you're covering many hours in only one sector.
True.
And technically you have a limit of hours every month.
Absolutely.
It depends from, country to country, but let's just top it up of like 100, 110. So you are covering, for example.
Ballpark.
Yeah, ballpark figure. So I get more time. I mean, it's very funny. When I was in my previous airline, I was only able to travel once in a year. And now UAE, my present airline, is giving me opportunity to travel at least thrice or maybe 4 times in a month. You won't believe even the custom officers at immigration, they know me by my face. They're like, "आप फिर से आ गए मैम? आप अभी तो आए थे परसों." So I would say work-life balance is better in my present airline, but nevertheless, I have a lot of credits to my past airline as well. Because first job is always special.
Absolutely.
The training was like a game. I mean, it was so nice. It was
Training standards were
the
up.
training standards were really good.
I feel that as you're telling me this, I feel that the training standard of the domestic airline you were in and the exposure from south of India to the UAE is
Yeah.
what set up sort of your base
Yes.
for you to, and the transition must have been smoother.
It's very smooth because, I was in a narrow body, but we were flying small international sectors. So, UAE, or I would say Gulf or the GCC was my everyday sector. So for me, the transition was very smooth. The understanding of the airspace came naturally to me because I have been
Exactly.
flown
Exactly.
those sectors like all my life
Yeah.
with my previous airline.
Yeah.
So that transition was really smooth. So this I have to give it to my ex-airline that yes.
Of course, of course.
Yes.
They gave you a chance, they gave you excellent standards,
Yes.
they gave you a base.
They made
which
me a very good pilot.
They made you a very good pilot. They gave you a
Yes.
base in which you could explore most of the UAE
Yeah.
where you never knew but you were headed.
Yes.
All right, Captain Nikita. So, what's the parting message to all the people aspiring to be in your position or be in aviation and do well in their life generally?
This message, I would say that never underestimate your capabilities and your abilities. Focus on yourself. Society often undermines women, our achievements, that suggesting that, we take favors or we play a women card. Let them talk. Focus on your well-being. Build an empire for yourself. I would say that successful women is the one, who take the bricks by the other people, fallen on her and make a firm foundation out of it. I
That's
have done the
awesome.
same.
That's
So this is
awesome.
for all the women, all the aviator, everyone who is struggling, that dreams are only achievable if you believe in yourself.
Absolutely.
That's what my parting message is.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That is true. That is indeed very, very true. And I've seen you live by it.
Yes.
Most of your life. I've seen you live by
I
it.
manifested every single thing that I'm living right now at one point of time, consciously, unconsciously, but I did. I knew that I'm gonna be somewhere in my life. So
Yeah.
I think it's the power of manifestation. and we must do that.
Yeah.
There's no charge for it, you know. So,
Yes.
सोचने का और सपने का कोई पैसा नहीं होता. So keep doing it, keep dreaming, keep manifesting. You never know what might strike you.
Don't limit yourself.
Don't limit yourself.
limit yourself.
I don't do it. I would never do that.
Indian women, I think, tend to limit themselves a lot.
They do.
The first thing that comes out of their mouth is, "Ye mere se nahi hoga."
Yeah.
You know, we've seen our
Yes.
mothers, and
Yes.
so like if you give them a new task, it's like,
Yes.
"Mujhse kaise hoga?" The first thing that arises is doubt, which
Yes.
I have a problem with.
Yes.
Which I genuinely have a problem with. That
Yes.
why?
Yes.
Right? Yeah. So Captain Nikita, aviation's good, everything is in flow, but we do have unwind activities, we do have flow activities.
Yes.
What are those for you?
For me, the most importantly is travel, you know. I love to travel. You know, on my layovers, I just, you know, put my bags down and I just wear the clothes and get out and explore places, talk to people. I have incredible experiences because of that. And you guys can find me on the most commonly platform on my gram if you want to follow me for my travel, me as a wife now, you know, as an aviator, or if you want a bit of inspiring reels, definitely my love for animals, how I support and associated with many NGOs. Everything is there under one platform. That's gram, and my Instagram is Blia and Daki, or you can just simply type Nikita Tomar and you would find me there.
That's wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Captain Nikita. Pleasure. And we'll be talking more. This
is not the end of our
Yeah,
podcast.
this is not the
There would
end.
be many of them, and you would have some more new people with me.
Of course.
So for more inspiration podcasts, please follow Golden Eplets Aviation by pilots for pilots. Namaskar. Ciao.